How are you, my dear Muslim ladies and gentlemen? I am honored to be standing in front you and telling you about importance and necessity of Noorani education in Bangladesh. My name is Mirza. I am a proud member of the 22nd grade student in Jamia Islamia Ashraful Ulum Dhulenjor. In the audience are my teachers and parents and Muslim people. I am the first person in my family go to Noorani Madrasa, and I would not be standing here today without them. Unwavering support throughout these 5 years. We know mankind is the noble creation of Allah. Allah said, save yourself and your family from the hell. Our Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, Talabul ilmi faridatun ala kulli Muslim. To earn knowledge is compulsory for every Muslim. There are two kinds of knowledge, divine knowledge and right knowledge. We can do nothing for the nation without earned those knowledge. Bangladesh has lived 95% Muslims. Every man cannot read the Quran. Respected attendance for above mentioned purposes that Kalibir Hussain Rahmatullah has created learning methods of education. Allah gives Kalibir Hussain Rahmatullah Noorani education syllabus. If every Muslim celebrates Noorani education, Allah change our Bangladesh Muslims' character. By this syllabus, we can teach our children both Arabic, English, mathematics, and other necessary knowledge. I request you to read your child up to 3rd class in a Noorani Madrasa at your locality. After that, you can change your wish any education center. Thank you and congratulations. This is my lecture.
Marhaba.